Put plastic bags on toilet seats. The results will surprise you. A simple bag can work wonders, making your toilet seat look brand new. If yellow stains appear, you don't need to replace the seat. There's an easy way to remove discoloration. Dirt accumulates in spots that are hard to clean with regular washing. Spray a cleaning solution generously, focusing on those tough-to-clean areas. Then, place plastic bags over the toilet seat, one on the top and one on the bottom. The bags keep the cleaner in place and prevent it from drying too quickly, allowing it to work longer and more effectively. Leave them for about 2 to 3 hours. During this time, the cleaner dissolves dirt and disinfects the surface. After removing the bags, you'll see the difference immediately. Your toilet seat looks like new, and stubborn stains are gone. This simple trick saves time and makes toilet cleaning much more effective. Discover the secrets of the toilet brush that you probably didn't know about. Unscrew the brush and pour some liquid into it. By cleaning the toilet, you'll immediately have a brush with a liquid that will clean the inside of the toilet bowl. But that's not the only hidden function of such a brush. There's also a brilliant reason why it's worth using such a brush to scrub the floors in the bathroom. Such a brush is perfect for this purpose. We're not talking about the toilet brush you use every day. We only use that brush for cleaning the toilet. But there's a reason why it's worth having a second brush, a new one. Such a brush with stiff bristles has another good use. Prepare a container and pour baking soda into it. Add a small amount of water. Mix the baking soda with water to create a paste. Baking soda is a slightly abrasive substance. It cleans stains, gently whitens, kills mold, and absorbs moisture. Dip the new toilet brush into the baking soda solution, apply it to the tiles, focusing on the grout lines. Begin gently scrubbing them. The baking soda will slowly start to work, dissolving dirt, stains, and killing mold if it's on the grout lines. The brush with such stiff bristles will perfectly remove all that dirt. Leave the soda on the grout lines for some time, then wipe the tiles with a cloth. After they dry, you'll notice the difference between the grout lines. You clean it with soda and the rest. You can see the difference for yourself. You can see which grout lines were dirty before cleaning and which ones are now clean. And it's all thanks to baking soda and the toilet brush. My neighbor showed me this household trick, and it completely surprised me. It turns out that solving some annoying home problems doesn't require specialized tools, expensive products, or a professional visit. Instead, you can use something you probably already have at home. This everyday item can work wonders in a way you'd never expect. Here's how to use it effectively. First, fill a plastic bag with water in your sink. Place the bag directly over the problematic area, and now it's time for the magic. When you run water, the water-filled bag creates a vacuum effect that solves the issue effectively. The entire process is simple, quick, and most importantly, effective. This method is not only fast but also eco-friendly and practical. You don't need chemicals or costly tools. Who would have thought that such a simple household item could become an unexpected hero? Sometimes the best solutions are right at your fingertips. Place the brush inside the toilet bowl. The result is truly impressive. Start by pouring hot water over the brush. This crucial step helps remove dirt and dissolves residues. Next, take hydrogen peroxide, commonly known as a disinfectant. Pour it directly onto the brush. This solution is highly effective against bacteria, fungi, and viruses, ensuring thorough disinfection. Hydrogen peroxide also eliminates unpleasant odors from the brush. Finally, add a few drops of tea tree essential oil. This natural remedy not only enhances disinfection, but also leaves a fresh, pleasant scent. Tea tree oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties. After cleaning, leave the brush in the same position for a few minutes to allow excess water to drip into the toilet bowl. This method leaves your brush not only clean and disinfected, but also smelling fresh. Regular cleaning is the key to maintaining hygiene in your bathroom. The foaming action will do all the work for you. This trick lets you clean even a heavily soiled toilet without any scrubbing. Take a small bowl and add 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has disinfecting and strong cleaning properties. Then, add 6 tablespoons of citric acid. Pour the entire contents of the bowl into the toilet. Add a few drops of dish soap. Next, pour 1.5 liters of vinegar into the toilet. Vinegar is excellent for eliminating bacteria, germs, and mold. It can even tackle old limescale deposits that often accumulate under the toilet rim. Mix everything together. The mixture will start to react and foam immediately. This combination of ingredients acts like an invisible brush. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. The active foam will dissolve water deposits and disinfect the toilet's interior. In just a few minutes, a fresh, clean scent will fill the entire bathroom. Your toilet will have never been this clean. Mix and place it in an empty toilet hanger. A homemade cube will work in any toilet. Is your toilet hanger empty? Don't have a new one. You don't have to rush to the store right away. You can prepare your own insert for such a hanger. Pour about 3/4 cup of water into a pan or pot. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch or potato starch. Mix it in cold water to dissolve. Now start heating the container. Stir and bring the mixture to a boil. It should be quite thick. To the resulting mixture, add a packet of citric acid. Mix the citric acid with the mixture until it completely dissolves. Add a generous amount of detergent. It can be dishwashing liquid or laundry detergent. Finally, you can add essential oil, for example, tea tree oil. Mix everything well. Transfer to a smaller container. Cover the area with foil for hygiene. Prepare an empty toilet hanger. Take a disposable spoon. Use it to apply the mixture to the hanger. And it's ready. Hang the hanger in the toilet and flush the waiter. The detergent and citric acid will gently clean its interior. The toilet will be cleaner and fresher. Apply shaving foam to the broom. Although it may seem strange, this trick is currently trending on the internet. It turns out that shaving foam has a brilliant application in the bathroom. Grab a regular broom, which you probably already have at home. Apply shaving foam to it on both sides, covering all the bristles. A broom prepared in this way will be a lifesaver for older individuals or those with spinal problems. Just flip it and spread the foam on the floor around the toilet. This is undoubtedly one of the poorest parts of the bathroom and often difficult to reach. This foam is like soapy foam with a higher content of potassium hydroxide, so it works excellently. Apply it generously, and the broom's bristles will distribute it even into the smallest crevices. Next, cover the toilet seat, bowl, and sides with foam. It will effectively deal with yellow stains and unpleasant odors. Leave it all for 15 minutes. After this time, rinse off the foam with warm water. Immediately, you'll see that the tiles and toilet shine. A pleasant fragrance will linger in the bathroom, lasting even for a few days after cleaning. The foam also cleans the grout without unnecessary scrubbing.